Ismail's Play World.
Let's make bubbles. It's a simple recipe that you can easily make at home. All you need is some dishwashing soap and some sugar, 1 cup of normal water and half a cup of hot water. Let's start by adding 2 tablespoons of sugar to the hot water so that the sugar can mix in easily. We're using sugar because sugar helps bind the whole mixture together and just makes better, stronger bubbles. When all of the sugar has dissolved, we will add that sugar mixture into the 1 cup of room temperature water. Now let's add in the dishwashing liquid. We will need about half a cup. You can either measure it out in the cup or put it in directly. Give it a nice mix, and there you have it, the perfect bubble mixture. Time to test it out. Wow! Oops. Whoa, look at that bubble, it's so huge. That is a huge bubble. Whoa. If this bubble mixture is just for some raw fun, then you're good to go. But we needed a bubble mixture for the bubble gun. So for that, we had to dilute this mixture a little bit. We added in more water.